All right, Douglas. So yeah, there's just not enough liquidity in it for us. Andrew, when you say a VIX put call spread, what do you mean by that? When you say put call, put credit. Yeah, I'm up for that. Selling a put spread in VIX. I mean, that's one thing I'm definitely going to look at today as well. I'm on board with you. It's just a matter of how much premium can we get for something, because premium levels are pretty low. But yeah, I'm definitely on the side of looking at that and selling a put spread in VIX. So I will be on that with you.